This jump demonstration shows how to create a three-way chart in Control Chart Builder. We'll use the Vial Fill Weights data from the sample data library. In this process, vials in 6 positions are filled with each sample. There is vial-to-vial variability within a sample, as well as sample-to-sample variability. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Control Chart Builder. I'll drag Fill Weight to the Y zone and Sample to the subgroup zone. I'll turn off Process Capability Analysis for this demonstration. The control limits for the X-bar chart are calculated using the within sample range and are not appropriate since they ignore sample-to-sample variation. I'll scroll to the bottom of the control panel and select Three-Way Control Chart. I'll finish by clicking Done. This control chart accounts for both within sample and between sample variation.